day 8 of the 2025 Wine Advent Calendar from Drinking It, and we're talking about Pinot Grigio and Pinot Gris. Again, it's kind of like the whole Syrah Shiraz thing that we covered yesterday. Pinot Grigio, Pinot Gris, it's the same grape, just different areas. Let's talk about it. I think the same way that Syrah in the US is battles, it doesn't really battle, but is thought of the same way as Shiraz in Australia. Italy's Pinot Grigio and Alsace's Pinot Gris have that same relationship in my mind, right? Pinot Grigio, super popular, super well distributed, also quite variable. Alsace Pinot Gris, not as easy to find, higher quality, higher hit ratio for you if you're going to buy one of these bottles. Just simply gorgeous. And sometimes Pinot Grigio can be boring and just ordinary. And yes, I am looking at you, Santa Margherita Pinot Grigio. I know people love it, but to me it just bores, it bores me. And I don't like drinking the same wine over and over again, but I've had that a couple of times and I just find it boring. So let's go and choose some Alsatian Pinot Gris. Now, the wines from Alsace are going to be more full-bodied and rounder and richer than the Pinot Grigio that you may get in Italy. It's because of the growing conditions, right, in that region, and as well as some of the winemaking techniques that they use. Typically, the winemakers are much more selective with the grapes that they actually pick and put into the wine, whereas Pinot Grigio, I'm not saying it's a bulk wine type of product, but they may be less, let's say, less discerning with the grapes that they're putting into their wine. A really nice wine from Alsace that I've had great experience with is the Anna DK Pinot Gris. I've had this in a couple of vintages, really nice, rich white wine. Like if you like a Chardonnay, this type of Pinot Gris is definitely going to be something that appeals to you. So get out there and try a Pinot Gris from Alsace. And if you want to drink some Pinot Grigio from Italy, I'm not going to hold it against you, right? I'm just glad that you're drinking something other than New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc as a white wine on your table. How about that? I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining.